Aviation has always attracted dreamers who push the limits of design and imagination, and nowhere is that spirit more alive than in homemade aircraft. Known as homebuilts or experimental amateur-built aircraft, these machines are the result of passion, skill, and countless hours of dedication in garages, workshops, and hangars. Builders can choose to assemble complete kits, follow detailed plans, or even design their creations entirely from scratch. Crafted from wood, fabric, metal, or advanced composites, and powered by a wide range of engines, these aircraft often lean towards sleek, sporty performance. With that spirit in mind, let's explore some of the most outrageous homemade planes ever built. PK-26 Mini Sitki. The PK-26 Mini Sitki is a Finnish-designed home-built aircraft created in the late 1970s by Kai Mellon with the goal of delivering a simple, efficient, and affordable flying machine for amateur constructors. Built primarily from wood with fabric covering, the aircraft is lightweight yet durable, offering ease of construction for builders without access to advanced materials or tools. The PK-26 uses a Volkswagen air-cooled engine conversion, typically producing between 50 and 65 horsepower, which provides modest but reliable power. It cruises at around 100 knots, burns roughly 3 gallons of fuel per hour, and has a range close to 600 nautical miles, making it an economical option for recreational pilots who value low running costs and straightforward maintenance. With a maximum takeoff weight of about 1,100 pounds and a wingspan of 27 feet, the aircraft is compact but stable, well suited for leisure flying and local trips. Its handling is often described as responsive yet forgiving, making it an approachable choice for those with limited flying hours. Although not widely produced, the PK-26 embodies the spirit of personal aviation, enabling pilots to fly an aircraft they have built themselves while enjoying unmatched fuel efficiency and simplicity. Janowski J2 Polonez. The Janowski J2 Polonez is a Polish-designed light aircraft developed in the 1970s by engineer Jarosław Janowski as a follow-up to his earlier J1 Przełęczniczka. Conceived as a two-seat side-by-side sport aircraft, the J2 was intended to be simple to build and operate while offering enjoyable performance for recreational pilots. The structure is primarily all metal, using straightforward construction techniques that made it accessible to amateur builders and small workshops. It features a low-wing monoplane layout with fixed tricycle landing gear, giving it stable ground handling and easy maintenance. Power typically comes from a 65 to 100 horsepower engine, often Volkswagen or Continental conversions, which allows the Polonez to cruise at around 90 to 110 knots with a fuel consumption of roughly 3 to 4 gallons per hour. Its range is approximately 400 nautical miles, making it practical for short cross-country flights. With a maximum takeoff weight near 1,100 pounds and a wingspan of about 27 feet, the J2 is compact yet sturdy. Flight characteristics are generally forgiving, with light, responsive controls suited to training or leisure flying. Although produced in limited numbers, the Janowski J2 Polonez remains a notable example of affordable Polish light aircraft design. Berkut 360. The Berkut 360 is a tandem-seating, two-seat home-built canard aircraft with pusher configuration and retractable landing gear, built primarily of carbon fiber and fiberglass. This is a high-performance experimental aircraft designed for speed, agility, and efficiency, appealing to aviation enthusiasts who seek both advanced aerodynamics and striking aesthetics. Originating in the 1980s, the Berkut was developed as a kit-built aircraft based on the proven Rutan Long-EZ design, incorporating refinements that make it faster and more capable. It features a sleek composite airframe with a canard layout, swept main wings, and retractable tricycle landing gear, which reduces drag and enhances handling. The Berkut 360 is typically powered by a Lycoming IO360 engine, producing around 180 to 200 horsepower, giving it a top speed of approximately 240 knots and a cruise speed near 210 knots. With an average fuel burn of about 10 to 12 gallons per hour, it delivers strong performance while maintaining reasonable operating costs for its category. The aircraft has a range of roughly 1,200 nautical miles, allowing for long cross-country flights and a service ceiling over 18,000 feet. Though production kits are no longer widely available, existing Burkutts are prized among home-built aircraft collectors. For pilots, it offers the excitement of fighter-like performance combined with the independence of experimental aviation, making it a standout in the kit plane world. Micron 3. The Micron 3 is an ultralight single-seat helicopter developed by RD Heli of Russia, first unveiled as a prototype at Heli Russia 2018. It is distinguished by its coaxial rotor design, which enhances stability and simplifies handling, placing it closer in ease of operation to ultralight fixed-wing aircraft. Powered by a 73-horsepower rotary engine, the Micron 3 delivers reliable performance in a compact form tailored for personal aviation enthusiasts. Its streamlined layout reflects an emphasis on accessibility and practicality, while the coaxial rotor system eliminates the need for a tail rotor, reducing mechanical complexity and improving safety. Designed for pilots seeking the freedom of rotary wing flight in a lightweight, cost-efficient package, the Micron 3 highlights a blend of innovative engineering and straightforward operation, making it an appealing option in the growing ultralight helicopter segment. Questair Venture. The Questair Venture is an American kit-built aircraft renowned for its compact design, remarkable speed, and distinctive bulbous fuselage. Designed in the 1980s by Jim Griswold and Ed McDonough, both engineers with backgrounds at Piper, the Venture was conceived to deliver exceptional performance from a small airframe. Constructed primarily of aluminum, it combines strength with aerodynamic refinement, highlighted by its short, low aspect ratio wings and streamlined profile. Typically powered by a Continental IO550 engine producing around 300 horsepower, the Venture can reach a maximum cruise speed exceeding 270 knots, placing it among the fastest piston-powered home-built aircraft ever created. Its climb rate is equally impressive at over 3,000 feet per minute, allowing rapid ascents to its service ceiling of around 25,000 feet. Despite its compact size, the aircraft seats two in side-by-side configuration with a comfortable cabin that prioritizes speed over spaciousness. Fuel consumption averages between 16 and 18 gallons per hour at cruise, offering a balance between efficiency and high performance. With a range of roughly 1,000 nautical miles, the Venture is suitable for cross-country travel at speeds rivaling turboprops. Today, it remains highly admired in the experimental aviation community for its combination of advanced engineering, blistering performance, and unique appearance. Baker Supercat. The Baker Supercat is a unique American home-built aircraft created by designer James Baker during the 1960s as an experimental high-performance aerobatic machine. Built with a striking biplane layout, the Supercat combined the structural strength of a classic biplane with modern refinements that pushed its performance far beyond typical sport aircraft of its era. Its compact, lightweight frame was primarily constructed from steel tubing and fabric covering, allowing for both durability and reduced weight. The aircraft was usually powered by a Lycoming O320 or O360 engine producing between 150 and 180 horsepower, giving it an outstanding thrust-to-weight ratio and agility in flight. With a cruise speed of about 130 knots, a top speed near 160 knots, and a climb rate exceeding 2,000 feet per minute, the Supercat was capable of executing demanding aerobatic maneuvers with precision and reliability. Its responsive controls, short wingspan, and strong airframe made it well suited for competitive flying and airshow performance. Seating was limited to one pilot, emphasizing its role as a pure sport aircraft rather than a cross-country traveler. Though only a handful were ever built, the Baker Supercat remains admired by enthusiasts for its rare combination of classic biplane character and modern aerobatic performance. Lancair Legacy. The Lancair Legacy is a high-performance kit-built aircraft developed by Lancair International as an evolution of the earlier Lancair 320 and 360 series, offering sleek aerodynamics, advanced materials, and remarkable speed for its size. Constructed primarily from composite materials, the Legacy features a low-wing monoplane design with retractable landing gear and seating for two in a side-by-side configuration. Builders typically install engines ranging from 200 to 310 horsepower, most commonly the Continental IO550, which allows the Legacy to achieve cruise speeds of 240 knots and a maximum speed approaching 280 knots, placing it among the fastest piston kit planes available. The aircraft climbs at over 2,000 feet per minute and can reach service ceilings above 25,000 feet when equipped with turbocharging and oxygen systems. Fuel burn averages around 15 to 18 gallons per hour at cruise, providing a range of roughly 1,000 nautical miles depending on fuel tank configuration and power settings. The Legacy's cockpit is designed with ergonomics and modern avionics in mind, offering builders flexibility in customization. Known for its responsive handling, high efficiency, and striking appearance, the Lancair Legacy has become a favorite among serious amateur builders seeking a cross-country machine capable of rivaling certified light turboprops. Bearhawk 5. The Bearhawk 5 is a modern kit-built aircraft designed by Bob Barrows to offer a larger, more capable version of the popular Bearhawk series, tailored for pilots who need generous cabin space and strong utility performance. Unveiled in 2020, the Bearhawk 5 features a high-wing steel tube fuselage with fabric covering, combined with aluminum wings, giving it both durability and relatively low weight. It seats up to 6 people in a spacious cabin, making it ideal for families, backcountry flying, or utility operations. Typical engine installations include the Lycoming IO540, producing around 260 to 315 horsepower, which allows for short takeoff distances of under 500 feet and impressive climb rates of more than 1,500 feet per minute, even at higher weights. Cruise speeds average around 140 to 150 knots, with a range of about 800 nautical miles depending on fuel load. The aircraft is also designed for heavy lifting, with a useful load exceeding 1,500 pounds, enabling it to carry passengers, gear, or cargo into remote strips. Builders appreciate its straightforward construction process, while pilots value its blend of ruggedness, efficiency, and capability. Texas Parasol. The Texas Parasol is a simple, home-built, ultralight aircraft that traces its roots back to early American aviation traditions. Designed as a straightforward and affordable project for amateur builders, it follows the classic parasol wing layout, where the wing is mounted above the fuselage on struts, providing excellent visibility and stable flight characteristics. Construction is intentionally uncomplicated, often using welded steel tubing for the fuselage and wood for the wing, with fabric covering throughout, making it accessible to those with basic workshop tools and limited building experience. Typically configured as a single-seat aircraft, the Texas Parasol can be powered by small engines such as converted Volkswagen units or lightweight two-stroke engines in the 40 to 60 horsepower range. Performance is modest but practical for its purpose, with cruise speeds around 55 to 65 knots, a stall speed near 30 knots, and fuel consumption as low as 2 to 3 gallons per hour, making it extremely economical to operate. Its lightweight and low wing loading contribute to forgiving handling, gentle landings, and the ability to operate from short grass strips.